All right, it is 9 a.m. Monday, February 7th, and the markets have opened up kind of mixed here this morning after stocks gained ground last week. A little bit of housekeeping for you here today. We have our 2022 financial fitness checkup. The beginning of the year is a great time to look at various aspects of your life and develop a plan to improve your financial fitness. Our 2022 financial fitness checkup questionnaire is now available. And this Thursday morning on Zoom, I'll be walking through the 57 questions for identifying areas of your financial life that should be discussed this year. So if you just head on over to our website, go to the events page, and RSVP for this Thursday's Zoom call, whether you can join me live when I do it Thursday morning, or if you just need to, or if you're able to watch the recording later. When you do, this questionnaire will be attached to the confirmation email that you'll get shortly thereafter. So, of course, as always, if you prefer, feel free to reach out directly to me or to any of us here, and we can get a copy for you as well. All right, so let's take a look at what happened last week. Before we do, I will roll the intro, and then we'll dive right in. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. All right, stocks managed to gain ground last week as investors turn their focus to corporate earnings. The Dow Jones Industrials Average rose 1.05%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 gained 1.55%. The NASDAQ Composite Index picked up 2.38% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, tacked on 2.73%. At the start of the week, stocks extended the previous week's rally with some high growth companies leading the move higher. Strong company profits fueled the market the middle of the week until an earnings disappointment from a mega cap company took investors by surprise. The earnings miss deflated sentiment as it heightened worries of what it may portend for other technology companies yet to report. These anxieties led to a sell-off that reverberated across the market. Subsequent earnings beats from several technology and social media names and an above consensus rise in new payrolls on Friday helped the market close the week with a solid gain. A string of employment reports pointed to a generally healthy labor market despite the Omicron surge late last year. The Job Openings and Turnover Survey, or JOLTS, showed a hiring slowdown with near record high job openings and worker resignations. The ADP, or Automated Data Processing Employment Report, saw private payrolls shrink by 301,000. That was the first monthly decline since December of 2020. More encouragingly, initial jobless claims declined, while continuing jobless claims reached their lowest levels since 1973. A strong January employment report showed 467 jobs added during the month, with upward revisions to previously released November and December. All right, that wraps up our summary for last week. Now it's time for this week's riddle. So thank you for staying with me through this week's update. Remember, if you are the first person to post the correct answer to this riddle down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or on YouTube, then I will send you a gift card for coffee on us. Sound good? All right, so today's riddle is: they never move even when we walk on them, but signs and arrows may indicate that they go up and down. What are they? Again, be the first person to put the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or on YouTube, and we'll send you a gift card to Caribou on us. And then lastly, later today, I will be sending out our full economic update for the week, as well as links to our 2022 financial fitness checkup, our key financial data card for 2022, and if you're retired, our 2022 retirement calendar. If you're not getting this email and you would like it, you may go ahead and subscribe at our website at www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.